Hey, good afternoon to you. We're back in the back room. Jimmy is prepping the bearings for the crank to go back in. This is that LS3 Corvette motor that we're putting back together for the customer. What originally happened to it is he had the camshaft changed to a bigger cam, and it broke one of the rocker arms, and we got metal down inside the engine. When we disassembled the engine, it was in incredibly good shape, considering the amount of miles that it had on it and the beating that it took. But had we not done what we've done, he would have had larger problems down the road. As you can see, he's setting the crankshaft in place. They are definitely not light little components that you have to move around. Once he gets that sat down in there, he will then put the bearing caps on and plastic gauge it to make sure that everything has proper clearance. Clearances are extremely important inside the engine. As you can see, that thing spins through there very well. Anyway, we'll update you when we get a little further down the road. Hope to see you soon with your Corvette project at PALS.